Hey y'all, I'm Jacob Martinolich, your host of the American Dream TV, Selling New Orleans. Today, we're going to be celebrating the diversity of New Orleans by experiencing some Middle Eastern culture here at Mona's Cafe. New Orleans is such a melting pot, and I'm excited to show y'all how New Orleans has influenced this culture and how it has in turn influenced New Orleans. Let's go enjoy some food, y'all. Bon appetit. I'm here with the co-owner of Mona's Cafe, Nihad. Nihad, what can you tell us about how you started this establishment, Mona's Cafe?
We started back actually in 1987, started with the pita bread bakery. Baking pita bread, which was new to New Orleans. And most people didn't know actually what pita bread was. So until we introduced it to the market, and over the years, it's gotten better and people got familiar with it more. 3-4 years down the road, we did open an international grocery. 3 years later, we established Mona's Cafe.
Do you have any specialty items that you would sell here that really emphasize, the Middle Eastern community and its culture?
For one thing, it's pita bread. And also we got a bunch of olive oils, olives. And we also have a lot of different things that from tahini, that's what you cannot find everywhere. From the sweets also, Middle Eastern sweets, we also carry that. And everything else, as you can see, from olives, grape leaves, everything else imported for the market.
Authentic imported ingredient, yes sir. That's excellent. So we're here now in your restaurant, Mona's Cafe. What can you tell us about its origins and how you got the restaurant part started?
Well, we started back in 94. Believe it or not, we started as a po' boy shop. And started doing po' boys for a couple of months, and people started asking for falafel, hummus, baba ganoush. So we started adding actually one thing at a time. A couple of months later, we kind of figured this is what they want. Let's flip the menu. The more and more people, if they try the food, they'll come back.
Right. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey y'all, I'm here with Mohammed, aka Mo Munchies. He is a renowned food critic, and he's going to be showing me a little bit about Mona's Cafe's food and the authentic Mediterranean cuisine that we have here.
Yeah, well, let's go take a little tour.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Let's go.
Let's go.
Mo, tell me about some of the best food experiences you've had here in New Orleans.
Ooh, okay, so something I really enjoy is the fact that New Orleans is a city of hole-in-the-wall spots. And to me, and the reason why I do what I do is because I like to highlight small businesses and hole-in-the-walls because that reminds me of home cooking. New Orleans culture is something that you cannot replicate anywhere.
Right.
I've traveled all over the world. I've had food from all over the world. And there are very few places that come close to the culture and the people and the vibe of New Orleans. One of the first family friends that we've had when we moved to New Orleans was Nihad and his family. So we grew up with the kids, we went to their house, they came over to our house, we shared meals together. Such a great time growing up with them. But also, we would come over to the store and purchase pita bread, purchase spices, vegetables to make our meals. So it was definitely a family staple, but also more than that. As, we developed a friendship, and it's like an extension of our family.
Absolutely.
All right, so what we got here is a typical spread when you go over to your Palestinian friends and family. Typically it's done in trays, and then we fix our plates. So, we're taking all the guesswork out of fixing our plates.
Right. I'm Jacob, your host of American Dream TV. I hope you enjoyed our episode as we gave y'all a snapshot into Middle Eastern cuisine and culture here in New Orleans. I'll see y'all next time.